This is Sangbok. He's going to throw the basketball against the floor. The motion of the basketball as it travels through the air is of course a projectile motion. As you can see here, I've drawn some vertical lines. These lines are equally spaced out. I'm going to replay the video. This time, every time the center of the ball crosses the line, you're going to hear a ding sound. So what are you going to hear? I'm talking about the rhythm. Are you going to hear like da-da-da-ding, 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 or what? Are you ready for the answer? Let's go. Was the answer as you expected? Alright, as you can see, instead of vertical lines, we have horizontal lines now. Again, these lines are equally spaced out. And again, every time the center of the ball crosses the line, you're going to hear a ding sound. So what are you going to hear this time? Are you ready for the answer? Let's go. Was the answer as you expected? So, what's the moral of the story?